Want to make these authentic, savory, and delicious Korean pork tacos like a Galbi pitmaster? Here's a secret. It starts with a marinade.
Okay, so I'm gonna marinate. This is boneless pork shoulder. I'm gonna slice them up and marinate for future taco. Future Korean tacos. You can have some friends over. Okay. We are making Korean taco today, and we've been marinating pork for 24 hours. So I'm gonna make a little bit of kimchi slaw. So I'm gonna slice this up. And a little bit of onion. One clove of garlic. A little salt. A little bit of gochugaru. Since we can't handle too much spice, I'm just going to sprinkle very little. And plus, pork is a little spicy. Okay, there's sesame seeds. Kind of like a really mild salad, cabbage salad. Kimchi salad. It's got cabbage salad. Or kimchi, very light. And I'm gonna slice up some cilantro we just picked up from the garden. I'm sharing this with our deer who comes to our yard. It's a little bit of green onions. Enough. Okay, the pan is nice and hot. I'm going to add a little bit of I can put the whole thing in it. Some meat. Kimchi slaw. I could put a little sauce in there, but I don't think you need it. Just going to use a little bit of sauce. Some avocados. There you have it. There is a Korean taco. Do you want a bite?
All right, now for the test. It looks amazing, but how's it taste? Are you confident?
I'm confident.
Yeah, I'm confident because you're an awesome cook.
This is just so simple and easy, quick. And it will taste better if I wasn't too lazy to go.
I can tell you the first thing I like is you get a lot of meat in your bite because it's still tender though. So it's a bigger slice of meat. I don't know if you can see it, but a bigger slice of meat, but it's really tender. And you cooked, that's amazing because you cooked it in the skillet.
Next time I'll grill it outside on the.
Oh yeah, can't wait for that.
Yeah, and then slice it up, so kind of chop it up, so it'll be tiny, smaller pieces.
And then so you got the kind of the kimchi coleslaw thing.
Right.
And then you got the, oh my gosh, you got avocado, you got cilantro, everything's falling out.
Green
and I
onions.
like, you could probably make this 2 different ways, right? You can make it with soft taco shells, or you make it. I like the hard one. I like that corn taste.
Well, that's why I have that on hand.
You know.
But next time,
oh my gosh.
Catching.
Yeah, oh, this is really good.
Right.
It's got a really good, it's almost got the gochujang, is that have some of a smoky kind of taste? It almost has a smoky taste to it.
Well, it has, you probably taste the ginger. Ginger and the lemongrass powder.
Oh, when you did the marinade?
When I did the marinade, yeah.
Yeah, well, it's really, really good. And how could, for people that like really spicy tacos, how could they make it more spicy? What ingredients would they do?
You can put the Korean chili powder, gochugaru, and you can add more. I was afraid to put a lot of hot sauce in it because you can't handle hot spicy.
Yeah.
But it's a little spicy. Then
so could they mix that sauce and marinate and kind of taste it as they go and pull back or put more of the
right, absolutely. So you can also have a extra sauce, and you can add to it while you're making before you eat.
That's really good.
Yeah.
So there you have it. Hey, if you like this video, click like, subscribe. If you don't, we get that too. I mean, we understand there's videos out there.
It's good.
But it is good. It's very good. So hey, check us out. Next video, I don't know what we'll be doing, but we're doing something probably with food. But anyway, peace.
Peace.